Hello everyone, this is Teacher Hazel of Hayes English Academy. Today I'm going to give you 10 idiomatic expressions that will definitely help you sound like a native speaker. So let's go! A blessing in disguise, meaning something that seems bad or unlucky at first but turns out to be good. Example: losing that job was a blessing in disguise because it pushed me to start my own business. A dime a dozen, meaning very common and easy to find. Example: those souvenir keychains are a dime a dozen at the tourist shops. All ears, meaning fully listening and paying attention. Example: go ahead, I'm all ears. Tell me what's been on your mind. All in the same boat, meaning in the same situation or predicament. Example: everybody on staff got a pay cut. We're all in the same boat. Barking up the wrong tree, meaning accusing or blaming the wrong person. Example: if you think I took your book, you're barking up the wrong tree. I haven't seen it. Beat around the bush, meaning avoiding the main topic or being indirect. Example: stop beating around the bush and tell me why you didn't show up to my birthday party. Bite the bullet, meaning to face a difficult or unpleasant situation bravely. Example: I have to bite a bullet and tell him the truth, even though it might hurt him. Bury the hatchet, meaning to reconcile or make peace after a conflict. Example: after years of not speaking to each other, they finally decided to bury the hatchet and become friends again. By the skin of your teeth, meaning just barely or narrowly escaping a difficult situation. Example: I passed the exam by the skin of my teeth. I got a minimum required score. Call it a day, meaning to stop working or to end an activity. Example: we've been painting all afternoon. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow.